Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka meets us as if it were a calm place where everything should be peaceful and beautiful. But before we can even relax a little, a lion comes out. And here there are no options. Survival ends instantly. We barely lasted a few seconds. Fiji. Fiji looks like a real paradise. Palm trees, water, silence, nothing to worry about at all. But it is at such moments that the worst begins. Suddenly death comes flying. Our journey ends in less than a minute. Kiribati. Kiribati is no longer just a flag, but almost a test of endurance. A person can stay afloat for a certain time, but here you still have to take into account the sun, fatigue, and the complete lack of a chance for peace. And when it seems that the worst is behind, a seagull appears and decides that we are lunch. We managed to survive only for a few hours. Russia. In Russia, we immediately find ourselves in very harsh conditions. Without food or water, a person will not last long at all, and here the situation also begins to break down more and more. The TV falls, we turn into a zombie, and it is no longer clear whether this is the end or just a new form of existence. Technically, our human life lasts only a few days. Hey, do you want to really test your knowledge of flags? In our new free game, Flags Up, you need to collect all the world's flags by their objects and get creative by creating your own unique flags in the flag editor. Mozambique. In Mozambique, we find a hoe, a book, and at first it even looks like everything is going in the right direction. Then we see the seeds, start working, sowing and growing something, and there is one problem. It takes time for crops to grow, and we just don't have enough of it. So all that hard work only speeds up the inevitable. We survive for only a couple of weeks. France. In France, the Eiffel Tower greeted us. We'd already decided to climb it and take a look around, but that was a bad idea. As soon as we got any higher, we stumbled and plummeted. The French landmarks turned out to be deathly beautiful. Our adventure lasts only a few minutes. Lebanon. In Lebanon, the famous cedar tree gives us something to eat. We survive by feeding on cedar nuts, and at first it seems like a decent food source. But living on nuts alone isn't enough to keep the body healthy forever. Sooner or later, the lack of essential nutrients catches up with us. In the end, we survive for about 1 month before our body gives out. Albania. A double-headed eagle was already waiting for us on the Albanian flag. We hoped it would be just a symbol, but no, it came to life. While one head distracted us, the other struck the fatal blow. Against 2 heads, the chances were slim. We survived for only a few seconds. Antigua and Barbuda. Antigua and Barbuda looks almost like a place to relax, but we are not in the mood for relaxation here. Our task is simple but strange. Survive by eating nothing but fish. It sounds possible at first, but sooner or later a lack of vitamins and other nutrients catches up with us. We can probably survive for around 1 or 2 months before our body gives up. Mexico. Mexico turns out to be the best place to survive. We eat prickly pear cactus fruit, steal eagle eggs whenever we get the chance, and even drink the small pool of water beneath the cactus. It is enough to stay alive for quite a while, but not forever. Eventually, the lack of essential vitamins and minerals takes its toll, and our body simply can't keep going. In the end, we survive for about 2 or 3 months, making Mexico our longest-lasting flag.